Hi, my name is Patrick Corder here at MarineMax Stuart, and today we have one of my personal favorites, a 215 XSF by Scout Boats. This model is going to be a 2024, equipped with this beautiful crystal blue gel coat, and you have that gorgeous stainless look to the Scout logo. Here on the transom, got a gorgeous sun deck, real nice and easy to get on and off the boat or throw your dive gear on. And then this particular boat is equipped with a 200 horsepower Yamaha. You guys come inside and I'll do a little walkthrough. Here at the transom of the 215 XSF, you know, it's a gorgeous walkthrough with a door, so you're not having to step over any cushions, step over any transom walls or anything like that. So it's super easy to get on and off. We have a gorgeous transom seat, aft seat back here. Real nice and easy to open and tuck away. Plus you'll notice the gunnels here, so if you are fishing, you can reach over on the side and you'll have that protection. Right here we'll have a live well. Igloo cooler below. And then nice here helm area, so with flip down bolsters. The ergonomics of this is really nice, real nice and comfortable up here. You have that Yamaha digital throttle, Lenco trim tabs, Yamaha smart gauges, so you'll get all that information digitally, and then reliable Garmin screen to top it off. Nice glass windshield with air to still come through, but you're still going to have that nice hard glass protection. Move up here to the bow area. What kind of sets this boat apart from any other 21s that you'll see, you'll have backrests here in the front loungers, as well as here right in front of the helm. So you can comfortably lay 3 to 4 people. Huge storage compartment. This also acts as a fish box, so if you wanted to put your dolphin, your mahi, your tuna, whatever you catch for that day, you can put it inside here. And then storage underneath these cushions, so these all come off. The backrest will come off. Be real nice. Here, designated anchor locker storage, and then you'll have cup holders here on the bow. As far as 21-foot boats go, I don't think you're going to find a more versatile boat in the class that can offer the comfortability that this boat offers, as well as the reliability, and give you that real nice comfortable ride offshore. If you'd like to see this boat in person, you can give us a call at 772-287-4495. Again, my name is Patrick Corder with MarineMax Stuart. Thank you.